Okay, someone asked for a video comparing Sansui 771 with the Sansui 7. Now, this is the 771 currently playing. And I'm connected to a pair of Dynaco A25s. Okay, let's switch to the Sansui 7. As you can hear, the sound on the Sansui 7 is a little deeper, a little more full. Go back to the 771. And back to the Sansui 7. Now the 771. Sansui 7. Sansui 771. So it's a little brighter. Seems pretty detailed though. That's the Sansui 7.